people of Goa. आयज आमी तुमचे मुखार दवरता that our prediction that 2 airports for Goa will be unviable. This prediction is coming true. And we had made this statement based on expert reports of ICAO and ADPI. Dabolim is being choked. Dabolim is being choked, strangulated by the government of Goa to give life. One of the economically sound airport असलो तो सरकार काबार करून प्रायवेट प्लेयराक GMR ताका जिवो दवरूंक सरकार तांचे वाटेन वावुरता. दाखयता की आमचो सरकार इज नॉट पीपल ओरिएंटेड बट कॉर्पोरेट ओरिएंटेड. बारीक गरीब लोकांक हेल्प करपाचो न्हय पूण जे प्रायवेट प्लेयर आसात तांकां हेल्प करता. How can it be that the airfares at Dabolim be higher than private airport Mopa? Government buses kadamba चलतात आणि private buses चलतात. आम्ही जाणो private buses more expensive than government buses. जाल्यार when it comes to airport, Dabolim tickets are higher than Mopa. This is government doing. सरकार करता हे. दुसरे म्हणल्यार सरकार सगळे वस्तू दामून चेपून दवरता आनी प्रायवेट प्लेयराक वयर काडटा. आमकां जबाब जाय मोविन गुदिनाचो. मोविन गुदीन लोकांक फटयतालो आनी सांगतालो की जे 2 एअरपोर्ट चलचे ना म्हणटात ते लोकांक फटयतात. आयज कोण कोणाक फटयता ते लोकांक दिसती पडटा. आयज दाबोलीचो एअरपोर्ट बंद पडटा आनी तोच म्हणटा की GMR is pressing Qatar Airways to shift from Dabolim to Mopa. म्हणटोच कोणे कोणाक फटयले ते मोविन गुदिनान सांगचे. आमकां जबाब जाय सरकाराचो. This government has lost its credibility. तोंडान व्हडली व्हडली मोवाची उतरां उलयता पूण फाटल्यान लोकांक विकाचे भाले तोपता. सांगचे आमकां कशें जावं येता. मोपाचे एअरपोर्टाची तिकेट दाबोलीच्या एअरपोर्टाचेर व्हरून सवाय जावपाक कशी येत जाता. सरकारान काटार एअरवेक दाबोली जावन मोपा व्हरपाक कित्याक सपोर्ट केला. आमकां जाय जबाब फ्रॉम द दाबोली airport director and chief minister of Goa, who happens to be civil aviation minister for Goa. ताणे explanation दिवपाक जाय. दुसरी गोष्ट, what is going to be the future of Dabolim now? What is going to be the future of tourism related businesses that were depending on Dabolim? Government has to explain to us why government airport is being choked and strangulated to support a private player. Dabolim. Any questions? I didn't answer.
Even the Chamber of Commerce have come out publicly and to say that they are not really convinced of the continuation of Dabolim Airport. In fact, what they are saying is that they are going to now talk to the airport, Dabolim Airport Director, and to the Chief Minister and the Prime Minister to find out exactly what is the future of Dabolim Airport. In number of occasions, we have seen that the government has been going very carefully in destroying public sector units and going in for private sector. This is basically not acceptable to the common man or the goinkar, that we want people to understand where we are going wrong. So the administration basically is wrong. This is what we are saying.
No, initially I remember that it was said that the costs at MOPA would be much higher than Dabolim. But now we are seeing exactly the contrary. Of course, we knew all this while that once you have another airport, the Navy, which had already put a lot of restrictions on civilian facilities at Dabolim, would definitely ask for closure. And this, of course, we do not know whether the Navy is involved in this. But you see, sooner than later, the Navy is going to tell us, you have another airport, why do you need this airport? We close this one. And with the movement at Dabolim Airport going down day by day, this is definite to happen. Again, there are some airlines which, after fixing Dabolim Airport as at the departure airport, suddenly change it to MOPA. This has happened quite often. The cost of the people who had chosen Dabolim. It happened to me even when I asked for a booking from Dabolim. I was eventually given a booking at MOPA, and I did not pay attention because it's just GOI and GOX. You don't even pay attention. So in all sides, they are trying to cheat people.
इलेक्शन आसा लोकांक पळोवचे कोण भाशेन हो सरकार दाबोलीचो एअरपोर्ट चोकअप करता तो येता ते येयले सावन ह्या सरकाराक जो लोकांचो न्हय पूण हो कॉर्पोरेट मोठे बडे मनशांचो GMR, अंबानी, अंदानी, जिंदाल हांचो सरकार तो बारीक लोकांक केन्नाच वयर काडचो ना सारखे क्लियर आपल्याक गेल्ले 10 वर्सां दिसती पडला लोकांन आतां लोकसभेचे येयले सावन सादूर चतूर रावचे की हो सरकार लोकांक फटयता तांकां भायल्यान चॉकलेट दाखयता भितरल्यान पॉयझन दिता तर लोकांन ह्या सरकाराक सारकी बूथ शिकोवची येता ते लोकसभेच्या येयले सावन
कोणा मारपाचे
ते आमी सांगना
कशेंसान मारपाचे कशेंसान कोणा मारतले
त्या लोकांक पळोवचो
कशें आतां कोण सारकें म्हणटा आपणे हाडिल्लो बाबा सारकें म्हणटा आपल्याला हाडिल्लो म्हणटा स्मार्ट रेडी म्हणटा खंयचे कशेंसान कोणा मारपाचे तें आमच्यान सांगपा जायना पूण GFDO for Dabolim is committed to the cause of Dabolim आणि very shortly under the leadership of other thing memorandum आमी डायरेक्टला आपल्या
We are planning to submit a memorandum to the airport authority of Dabolim Airport, the director. Can the memorandum regarding saying this airport? What we have discussed now is on the same meeting. Probably either this week or next week.
Copies from the secretary.